Hey creators, welcome back to VueXR, your platform for building and sharing immersive AR and VR content with the world. Today, I'll show you how to create and upload a VR Vue using Unity and the VueXR Rig. Whether you want to create a virtual showroom, a product demo, or an artistic 3D scene, it's simple to bring it into VR with VueXR. Let's dive in. Start by opening Unity Hub and create a new project. Choose the built-in 3D template and name it VR Vue project. Next, go to the Unity Asset Store and search for VueXR Rig. Add it to your assets library. In Unity, open the Package Manager, go to My Assets, find VueXR Rig, download and import it into your project. Inside your project window, open the VueXR Rig folder and double-click the VueXR Rig scene to load it. Accept any prompts to update settings. This scene includes the VueXR camera and other essential components for VR. Now import the 3D model or scene you want to use for your VR experience. You can download models from platforms like Sketchfab or TurboSquid, or use your own creations. Drag the model folder into the project window. Position your models in the scene relative to the observer. Make sure everything is centered and scaled correctly so users can explore naturally in VR. Once your scene is ready, create a prefab by dragging the environment or main parent object into the project window. Prefabs help organize your content and make it easy to reuse. Now, configure the VR Vue settings. Select the View Player object in the hierarchy. In the inspector, drag your prefab into the Prefab to Play field. Under XR settings, select VR as the play mode. Click the play button to preview your VR scene inside Unity. Check the scale, lighting and camera perspective to make sure everything looks right. When you're satisfied, it's time to publish your VR Vue. Go to VueXR Rig, Build Vue. Unity will compile your content. Once done, click Upload or VueXR Rig, Upload Vue. Log into your VueXR account, fill out the upload form and submit. Open the VueXR app or web player, scan the QR code or open your content link. Explore your VR experience as your audience will see it. And that's it. You've just created and uploaded a VR Vue on VueXR. From product demos to immersive environments, the possibilities are endless. Download the VueXR app and start sharing your creations today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.